Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here, let me go back. Here we have to scroll and find wallpaper and style. Then let's tap on change wallpapers, and here we've been transferred to the full list of the pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. Moreover, here we've got the gallery, so of course we can open it and set our own photo as a wallpaper. Here we've got some featured ones. Here we've got the section to create the wallpaper with AI, and I will get back to this section after a second. Here we've got the graphical options, the colors. You can swipe here to check other options, wallpaper services. And here basically, if you do not have anything downloaded, you will have this option get more wallpapers, and you will be transferred to the Galaxy themes. Something like that. You will be transferred to the Galaxy themes, and you can find some wallpapers and then download them and apply them. At the very bottom you've got those which are free of charge, so you do not have to pay for downloading them, and all you have to do is to simply tap on the wallpaper and then tap on download. And then you can simply tap on apply. It's actually a very beautiful wallpaper. So another thing which I wanted to show you is the generative AI. Because it is divided between two different options. Here we've got the generative option, which means that you can basically generate the wallpaper which you preferably like, and the photo ambient, which is a really cool option. So you can set a lock screen, for example, of your with the photo of your animal or whatever, and then your device will add, for example, snowflakes and raindrops depending on what kind of weather is around you. So it's really nice to see this effect. However, it will be mostly applied to the lock screen. Alright, so in order to set the wallpaper, we have to simply tap on it, and now you can see that we can mark either lock screen, home screen, or both. So now we can decide where we want to apply the wallpaper. So just tap on next after marking, and here let's tap on done in the right upper corner. And as you can see, after getting back, we've got our wallpaper applied. However, here we've got a big surprise. After opening the phone, let me quickly open it. We've got this wallpaper, which was previously set. So as you can see, the wallpaper which is here on this rear screen, let's say, and this which is inside does not match at all, which means that we have to change the, so we have to change the wallpaper here separately. So we have to simply just repeat the whole process. So go to the settings, tap on the wallpapers and style, and tap on change wallpapers. Then we have to scroll down and find the wallpaper which we want to apply. Of course, you can use this one or totally different one. Let me choose maybe something from generative options, for example this one, and then tap on set. Tap on next again and tap on done in the right upper corner. Now we can go back. And as you can see here, we've got the wallpaper which we've just applied from the generative AI, and after closing the phone, we can still see this butterfly which we've downloaded from the Galaxy themes. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.